and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be taking you through the pelargoniums. These are the cuttings that I've taken. I shall just see what the roots are like. Have a look there, as you can see, really growing well. I can pot these up separately now. That's one. There's the other one. Just try these as well. See what these are like. These have been on a windowsill, out of direct sunlight. As you can see, another nice one up there. Another nice one there. So this is pelargoniums. I'll put these up separately now, so I shall get my mixture. I've got vermiculite and compost. And I've also got a heating mat now, so this should help them develop a lot quicker now. Out there. That's it. Once these are potted up properly, back on there, I can give them a bit of sunlight now they've rooted. So that's it, potted on. I shall water that and get these other two potted up. So, compost. You want potting up to the exact level that they were before. So that is spot on. That's just there. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. These are going to save me a fortune next year. I'm going to take some more cuttings because I've got some grow lights and a heated greenhouse, so these will be brilliant for next year's hanging baskets. I can even take some more cuttings off these. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you, bye.